Okay guys, so I'm here in GameStop. Guess what I'm gonna pick up today? Ta-da! Ring Fit. So you guys will definitely be able to see me and my wife and the other girls in the Valkyries playing Ring Fit, and I'm gonna get into shape. Yes, finally, I'm gonna get into shape and have a reason to because of a video game. Nintendo, you always creating something great, man. So I'll see you guys on my stream. Make sure you guys subscribe and follow our stream and our upload channel, Empire Arcadia, and where we stream on Empress Now. See you guys later. What's going on, guys? So I am here at a friend's house in Florida, and as you guys, anyone's been watching my Twitter or my hashtag or even my Facebook, you would have seen a video that I had where I stopped in the GameStop and I wanted to pick up a game for the Nintendo Switch in which I consider to be a life changer. Now, you must be saying, what are you talking about, Travis? How can a video game change your life? Well, especially for someone like me who's been playing video games for actually almost 40 years. Let's just call it 40 years, although I'm only 22 years old. Don't do the math. Don't worry about that. You'll get the inside joke. But anyway, I stopped at GameStop, and you're like, this is the game. And like, some of you who don't have a Nintendo Switch is like, what game is this big? For those who have a Nintendo Switch, it's pretty easy to figure it out. And I'm going to unbox this game because I'm going to see what I'm going to be taking back with me to Jamaica. And what I play here, along with my wife and the other Valkyries of Arcadia in Jamaica, is going to change my life and their lives for the positive. Let's get straight to it, because you know, you hate those videos which, you know, you look and you're like, you know, it's an unboxing video and it takes like 10 minutes to unbox something. And the time I'm wasting explaining this to you guys is so annoying. I hate it myself. The game is Ring Fit. So let's get straight to it. So this is the, let me keep this receipt, you never know. This is, I said this wrong. There we go, the Ring Fit. Okay, so this is the Nintendo Ring Fit. It's an exercise adventure RPG game where you do exercise to complete the actual goals in the game or the adventure in the game. And when I first saw this from a member of our team from the Deadly Alliance Division, Corbina and Pofo, aka Kubu, Hyrule's greatest warrior. I saw him playing this, I was like, what the, I gotta get it. So I went out and got it, so let's do this unboxing. Now, usually in unboxing videos, a lot of people spend at least 10-15 minutes unboxing this stuff. So we're just gonna do this, it's just unboxed right there. Here goes the game, so clearly that goes in. There's this thing here that's connecting something. Who cares? This is the arm sleeve, which is, yeah, it's supposed to help get the pulsations out of your body. So it goes into this device right here, in which you put your Joy-Con in, and it's supposed to be able to read the sensor in your body to make sure you're doing stuff properly. Take a look at this. So this is the ring, and it's elastic. There you go. It stretches. I guess that's supposed to be the resistance to help you censor the exercise that you're going to be doing. And we'll be doing this when I get back to Jamaica. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. An actual unboxing that's not annoying and takes 15,000 hours to get done. In any event, I'll see you guys when I get back to Jamaica, and we'll be streaming this on my wife's channel, so you can check that out on youtube.com/Empress Nile, EMPR3SS Nile. And any videos that we do that are uploaded will go on the Empire Arcadia channel at youtube.com/Empire Arcadia. Check you guys out now. Next video. See you later.